Big Ten. But my dog doesn't look like a dog. It looks like a bobcat. I don't know. Here's the thing. Proportions and bubble size, they're going to come with practice. One reason why I recommend doing something like the turtle or anything that is repetitive is, one, you're going to create muscle memory. But two, it's going to make you, so you have to be aware of your proportions. Now, here's the thing. A dog with really long ears is a bunny rabbit. A dog with a really long tail and a shorter body is now a cat if you're doing a one balloon. Proportions, yeah, they matter. And the nice thing about most things in nature, especially most living things, besides trees, but even flowers, if you do a cut from top to bottom, separate left from right, what's on one side is pretty much a mirror image of what's on the other. So when you're doing your balloons, okay, use that as a self-correcting mechanism. So if I'm making feet, okay, and I have one short leg and one long leg, I can tell right away something's not right. Okay, it's just not quite. Yes, that smaller leg stretches out, okay, to fill the space, but it's not the same diameter. So what you do on one side, use it to guide you on what you do the other side. So if I'm got that bubble there, and I like that size for my leg, I'm going to take the other bubble, and I'm going to match them up, and I'm going to twist so that my two bubbles are the same. Now, when you're first starting off doing balloons, this is going to take some concentration at. Once you get comfortable with doing balloons and build some muscle memory, and your fingers start telling your brain what to do, you're not going to have to focus on it. Your mind is going to do it unconsciously. Okay, it's going to pick up on those things. Now, let's say my front and back legs are different. Well, guess what? This is now a ferret on his hindquarters, or it's a kangaroo. Okay, proportions are your friend. Have fun with them. Experiment with them. Okay, if I do my teddy bear, but with longer top legs and shorter bottom legs, what does that look like? What if I change this? What if I do that? Don't let it be a concern. Let it be a creative jumping point. It's going to be okay. If things are a little wonky or things are a little bit like one of my mentors would call them science experiments, it's okay. We learn from science experiments. That's how we grow. That's how we get better. It's okay to fail. So the more times you do it, the more time you'll have to correct things, and it become more second nature. You'll be good to go.